the exact time a rain shower will start and end at your picnic spot, or receiving an alert about a sudden temperature drop just as you're leaving the house. Beyond daily life, these forecasts have significant implications for various industries. Farmers can make informed decisions about irrigation and harvesting based on precise weather predictions for their fields. Construction companies can optimize their schedules based on hyper-local wind and rainfall forecasts. Airlines can improve safety and efficiency by receiving real-time updates on micro-weather patterns around airports. The ability to access accurate, personalized weather information empowers individuals and industries to make informed decisions, leading to increased safety, efficiency, and overall well-being. Section 5. Navigating the challenges, privacy, and beyond. While the potential of AI in weather forecasting is vast, there are challenges to address. One concern is data privacy. AI algorithms rely on access to vast amounts of data, some of which might be sensitive. It's crucial to ensure that data is collected and used responsibly, with appropriate safeguards in place. Another challenge is the digital divide. Access to advanced technologies and reliable internet connectivity is essential for utilizing AI-powered weather forecasts. Bridging this gap is crucial for ensuring that everyone benefits from these advancements. Furthermore, it's important to remember that AI is not a magic bullet. While it significantly improves forecasting accuracy, weather is inherently complex and unpredictable. Therefore, it's crucial to maintain a balance between relying on AI predictions and exercising caution. Section 6. A clearer view of the skies ahead. AI is transforming how we understand and interact with the weather. By providing hyperlocal, personalized forecasts, AI empowers us to make informed decisions that impact our daily lives, safety, and well-being. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more accurate and insightful weather predictions in the future. Imagine a world where AI helps predict and mitigate the impact of severe weather events, optimize resource management, and contribute to a more sustainable future. While challenges remain, the potential of AI in weather forecasting is immense, offering a clearer view of the skies ahead and a better prepared tomorrow.